Guys, we got a beautiful Chevy Camaro 2SS 2014, and from a state we don't have in our videos yet, good old Nebraska. He drove all the way down. We really appreciate him coming down, and we hooked him up with some beautiful exhaust, as we will show you in a second. It's got 4 converters, 2 here, 2 there. Then we took the mid resonator out that usually comes on these, replaced it with an X pipe. The mid resonator is usually this long, and the X pipe is a lot smaller, so we put a True Flow X pipe. There'll be a link in the description for it, and 2 intermediate pipes, as you guys can see there. Then we deleted the mufflers there and there. You usually have 2 separate mufflers. I'll show them to you guys, which are right there. There they are. So we deleted those and installed 2 MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS there and right there. Part number 10416. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Then continued the piping and put some 4-inch single wall tips to complete the look, which came out absolutely phenomenal. Look at that. Real clean, really nice. All the way from Nebraska, guys. We really appreciate them coming down. And there's the factory muffler there, and there, factory tips, and factory resonator that was on it. You see, as you guys can see, it's super long. And there's the 2 mufflers. We took them off. So, you guys know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Chevy Camaro 2SS. Go ahead, 6.2 liter. Much better. You have a cold air intake on it? Not crazy loud, just clean. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. So it's still right at 100, which is perfect. Anything over 100 usually is a little bit loud inside, you know? But if you want just a nice, clean sound, that's the way to go. Go ahead and back it out. Nice Camaro 2SS. Really beautiful car. Finished off in white. It's nice. There she is, clean. I like that hood on it too. Look at the hood on this thing, guys. Aftermarket hood. You can hear that's under the hood for you guys. Look at a 6.2 of raw power. Beautiful cold air intake. There's that scoop hood. Very nice. Big jump. Woo! Very nice. Satisfied customer. Chevy Camaro 2SS 6.2 liter. Let's see if he goes beast mode. Oh, nice. That sounds clean, guys. He's coming back. He's gonna give us a drive-by.